What's up, everybody? Been a minute. Been out of the country traveling. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. I'm going to take you on, a little drive today. So stay tuned. Boom, let's do it. All right, guys, I'm at Eucalypto restaurant down about 20 minutes south of Baja, California. You guys get down here. This is the master chef at Eucalypto. The food is delicious. The drinks are delicious. Everything is delicious, and you'll be satisfied coming down here. There's nothing bad I can say, and I'm very critical. I don't judge, I just criticize. And this is the man. He's my buddy.
I thank you very much for being here.
You got it.
Let's make some fire.
Let's make some fire. Look at this setup, dude.
Check it out.
Can I? It's okay.
It's a very honest kitchen. You can go all around.
Check it out. I'm gonna film
This
this.
is some mushrooms. We're making a pasta, and
This is the most delicious meal I have had in a long, long time.
so this is the pasta.
Making pasta here.
Yes, sir.
We got steaks coming down here. Let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this. I'm in the kitchen here, filming all of this. They're kind enough to let me come down. We got the beautiful ladies here all working. Look at this. We got the grilled shrimp. We got the steak. We got the vegetables. Unbelievable. It's good stuff, man. You guys come down here. Get down here to Eucalyptus. Eucalypto is what it is. First class. And this young man looks like he's about 10 years old, but he's a great worker. How old are you, my man? How old?
13.
13? I was close. Good job. Nice young man. Nice young man. All right, guys. I'm going to get out of their hairs. Javier, take care, brother. We'll be back.
Thank you very much.
And I'll be back next time.
We'll see you again.
Thanks, man.
Thank you for
you're
coming.
very good, man.
I appreciate you. Thank you much.
And all your staff is top notch. I appreciate it. All right, we'll see you on the rebound. Thanks, man. Get down here, guys. It's wonderful.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up.
right, guys, it's been a minute. I've been traveling a lot out of the country for some business I operate, and I'm back. And I want to tell you, never give up, because when the cops act stupid and you sue them, yeah, you gotta wait, you gotta sift through the bullshit, but in the end it could be beneficial with the payout. And when I say that, boom, let's do it. This is what I got. Finally, one of my lawsuits with the police paid off. This is what I'm talking about, my new home, my new house, while I'm on the road.